to add background music to any video file using your laptop. In case you have Windows 10, it is a free software which have been provided by Windows 10 into your device. First thing first, what you need to do is to search the software which is named as Video Editor. When you enter Video Editor, it will put it here up. You can click the option and then expand or maximize the option. In order to add background music, what you need first is to create a new project. So you click just create a new project. When you create a new project, you name this project. So I want to name this as download any YouTube video and click OK. After that, I will add that project into my working space. The project is located from this PC, so the project is here in my local disk in a folder named as compressed work, and then I will click it. After clicking it, in order to be able to edit it and add background music, what I need to do is just first place it into the storyboard. So I will click place in storyboard. You just follow instruction. When you take it place into storyboard, you can reason that how to download a video file into. You notice that this video does not have a background music, but I'll be showing you how to add one. Just be patient. What we need to do is you click custom audio. When you click custom audio, you need to have already downloaded audio which you want it to play as a background music for this video. So I will click add audio file and then scroll up to where I have my audio file which I want to add to this video. So my audio file is in a place known as download, because I have downloaded it from internet, but it does not have copyright strikes. Even if you upload it into YouTube, this song is free and does not have copyright rights, so it is here. You need also just to adjust the voice of this song at the level of your choice of which you want to run into your background. So I will click done after finishing to adjust. Let me click done so we can try and reason out. YouTube, first thing first, get into your YouTube icon in your phone, then search the video which you want to download. And then click the video. I think you can be able to hear that background music coming from my background. So that is the simplest way how you can do and add your background music into a video. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss out any of my future content like this. Also, after adding the background music, what you need to do is to finish the video editing. So you are supposed to click here, finish the video editing, and your video will be edited. Then you click export. You'll be asked to choose where you want to video to be stored, in which folder, the edited video. Mine, I want it to be put in YouTube videos, and I click export, and that is it. You just wait for a few minutes based on the speed of your computer. Then the video file will be put into the folder which you have chosen with the background music. We will wait just for a few time, and then try to reason out if the edited video have the background music. Let us wait. Let's give it time. You just take a while. Kindly don't forget to comment about the video if you have found it helpful. Also, through your comment you can ask any video about, in case you want to edit a certain video file. You can comment about the video. You are allowed, and also don't forget to give it a smash, so that to encourage me. By seeing that like, it is so essential in encouraging me to continue creating the videos. Let us wait. My computer is a bit slow. Yours may be faster or maybe slower than mine. This is the speed of your computer, but you just remain patient. It is still loading. Let's load. Yeah, just give it time. You can put a cup of tea and start drinking, but I don't think you'll have done away with it before it complete downloading. Yeah, we are both there, so just remain patient and confirm that our method works or it does not work. So in case even you have a wrong video file, you just cut and put the audio in that video. Even if it is a 50 minutes video, you just go adjusting, adding the background music and then adjusting the sound of our video is here. Manager from YouTube. First thing first, get into your YouTube icon in your phone. We can also confirm it have been added into our folder which you have chosen. I wanted it to be added in YouTube videos, so our video is here. It is here. Way to download a video file into your phone. File manager from YouTube. First thing first, get into your YouTube icon in your phone, then search the video. Kindly don't forget to hit the red button so that you not miss out any of my future content like this. Thank you.